Okay dolls, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija and you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I do hope y'all enjoy my videos. In today's video, we are featuring Tinashe here, and today we're featuring their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. I received a bonnet, some grab clips, a wig cap, a edge brush, a tail comb, and finally, this is a wig for today. It is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig with a bang, and this is it. This is it. Today we're about to be doing a glueless install on this unit. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Tinashe here, their website will also be down below. So go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a wig cap on. So this is what our wig is looking like without the foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace and then we install our wig. All right guys, so this is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. Today we're about to do a glueless install on this unit, and this is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is it at the moment. So what I'm about to do is to use some cream of nature and apply around the edges to kind of keep it down, and then we tie this down and let it dry while we finish up our wig. And basically that's it. As I said, we're doing a glueless install today, and normally that takes like probably 5 minutes. The only difference is that I got a body wave, so I gotta curl it, but that's about it. We're about to just finish up our wig. Again, today we're featuring Tinashe here, and this is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig, and this is what it's looking like so far. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is what it's looking like. All I used was spritz and some cream of nature mousse, and this is it. It is completely laid. So what I'm about to do is to just tie this down, and then we finish up the rest of our wig. But if you want to get this hair, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from Tinashe here. This is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. And today we're doing a glueless install, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby here. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. Once again, today we're featuring Tinashe here, and this is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is it, and this is a glueless install. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Tinashe Hair, their website will be down in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.